Hi everyone, I am Manish from IndusHindi.com, and in this video we are going to talk about the basics of Hindi adjectives. So let's begin. Before we talk about adjectives, we have to know one thing. Hindi adjectives agree with the nouns. They qualify in their number, gender and case. It means they change according to them. So first of all, we have to remember like Hindi has two types of adjective. First, which has a ending, and rest has not a ending. So first we talk about a ending adjectives, and all a ending adjectives except few exceptions are masculine singular, right? All a ending adjectives are masculine singular. For example, acha, which ending with a, which is masculine singular, like acha ladka, good boy. In a sentence we can say वह अच्छा लड़का है, he is a good boy. To make it plural, we have to change the ending, where we replace a with a, where acha becomes अच्छे. For example, we can say in a sentence, वे अच्छे लड़के हैं, they are good boys. वे अच्छे लड़के हैं. So all are ending adjectives are masculine singular, and make them plural, remove a and add a. In other words, one can say replace a with a, where acha becomes अच्छे. To make it feminine singular and plural both, you have to do one thing, like remove a and add e. In other words, you can say replace a with e, where acha becomes अच्छी. For example, we can say वह अच्छी लड़की है, she is a good girl. And for feminine plural, we can say वे अच्छी लड़कियां हैं, they are good girls. And the second types of adjectives are not ending with a. For example, sundar, you no need to change sundar with anything. Sundar can be masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular and feminine plural. And there is one exception. Some a ending adjectives also don't change, right? They don't change. For example, the adjective बढ़िया, which means excellent or great, you no need to change it, right? It can be masculine, feminine, singular, plural, all. And you have to remember just two things, a ending and not a ending. Only a ending changes, right? I hope this thing is clear. Goodbye.